Hi, welcome to G7CR Spotlight, Season 2, Episode 9. I have another young kid with me, very pretty looking today. Tanmay, welcome to Spotlight.
Thank you, sir.
Are you prepared to tell us all the secrets today?
I hope. By pulling others' leg or they'll pull my leg, we'll be happy. Language and all, I paid money and I took a payment. For one person, I have break his lips only.
I'm scared now. I'll give you everything you ask me, okay? Don't worry. Smartest guy in G7, intelligent.
Everyone are smarter.
What is this, da? You know, be so diplomatic. You want all the boys to be happy over. Let some of them get sad. Let some of them get happy. What is the future plan? Now you want to become a doctor. Ultimately, you did software. What is the dream, vision?
Like you, sir.
You want to become like me. You want to start a business.
Yes, sir. Nowadays, people are not taking care of their parents only. They have given me wonderful life. They have cared me. So I want to take them very well.
I have another young kid with me, the very pretty looking today, Tanmay, and excited to get to know her. This is another kid who I really don't know well enough. So looking forward to basically get to know Tanmay on today's Spotlight. Tanmay, welcome to Spotlight.
Thank you, sir.
Are you nervous or are you basically very confident after seeing so many spotlights?
Little nervous, sir.
Little nervous. Are you prepared to tell us all the secrets today?
I hope.
You hope? Okay. I'm hoping to hear all of them. And I need today. I think you're going to basically tell me about a lot of other people. Also, I'll tell you what all they said. Then you can tell me something more about them too. What do you deal?
Sure,
Sure.
sir.
Okay. No, Tanmay, really happy to have you on the show. And I really want to get to know you because I don't know you, correct? We haven't interacted. So let me see how much I can get to know you from the time you were a kid. Where did you grow up? You're from Bangalore.
I'm basically from Tumkur itself. Have completed my studies in Tumkur.
Okay.
And
Born, brought up where? Which was the city you were born?
in Tumkur itself.
Tumkur itself. So you are a Tumkur girl.
Yes.
From Tumkur, Kannadiga.
Huh.
Kannada ಬರುತ್ತೆ
हाँ sir,
ಬರುತ್ತೆ okay super and your schooling also was in Tumkur, that
Yeah.
means. Family, how big is your family? How many people are there?
My father, my mom, my brother, and
Okay.
me.
Only 2 kids.
Huh.
Man, very nice, man. Okay, that means you guys were both pampered because one was boy, one was girl. So one was only boy, one was only girl.
No, he was only pampered.
You was only pampered? Oh man. Okay.
I used to get every time I used to get scoldings.
Okay. So, so
He used to make all the nonsense things and I used to get scoldings.
you used to get scolded.
I used to shout at him.
Uh-huh.
He used to pull my hair and he used to go. And I used to get scoldings if I shout at him. Why you're shouting?
You are the elder one or he's the elder one?
He
You're
is the elder one.
He's the elder one. Okay, and you used to shout at him.
Yeah.
Which school did you go to? You went to
Bishop
school?
Sargent School.
Bishop Sargent School. This is also in Tumkur only.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's first talk about your primary school experience. Okay. Did you cry when you were going to school, nursery school? Did
Yeah.
your parents say you cried?
Yeah.
Okay. How many days did you cry?
My mom was telling like 1 week I cried.
1 week you cried. Okay. What do you remember of the earliest childhood memories that you have is which one?
When I was in nursery itself, I was so mischievous.
Okay.
If someone is not giving mints, I used to beat him. And for one person, I have break his lips only.
I'm scared now. I'll give you everything you ask me. Okay, don't worry. What happened? The parents came and complained or something. This was when you were in primary school.
Huh.
Wow.
In nursery when I was.
So this was experience you remember, or parents told you that you did?
No, my mom told.
Mom told. So you don't.
And
know.
till 10th, he was in my classmate itself. Till now, if I meet him, he'll tell, you made my mark. Still, mark is there for me.
What is the memory that you remember? Where you remember school or something? Which class do you remember?
In first standard, I didn't wanted to go to school.
Okay.
My mom told, okay, fine, don't go. I didn't completed my homework. If we don't complete my homework, our teacher used to make us to stand outside.
Okay.
My brother made my mom that I need to go to school. At that time, uniform should be all complete. We used to have badges.
Right.
If nails we have means we
They'll check
should
the nails.
stand.
Yeah, they used to do that in my school also. Yeah.
What I made for my brother, he is making me to go to school. He is not even making me to take leave also. Let me take his tie only. In my home only, in my room only, I kept it. He didn't even find that tie. He came to school, he got scolded.
You're still looking so happy doing that. So you're a dangerous person now.
No, nah, but
Now you
it
changed
it is so beautiful memory that that time me and my brother. Now I'll be working. No, now I'll be not even having much time to spend with my brother only.
You all of you shifted to Bangalore, or only you shifted for work?
Before Corona, I was. After Corona, I'm working. I'm doing up and down itself.
You're going to Tumkur every day and coming?
Yeah.
Oh man, okay. But before Corona, you were staying here. You had a PG
3
or something.
months I was here.
You had a PG or something which was here. Okay. So otherwise, home is Tumkur only now. So you're not a Bangalore girl.
No.
How will you have time for Fanda? You're spending 3 hours, 4 hours. How much do you spend traveling?
2 hours.
2 hours up and down. And
1.5 will be bus, and 30
Minutes
minutes by metro, by walk, it will happen.
Oh man, that's hard life. How are you with your brother now? Do you guys still fight like that way, or now you guys have become mature and old and all that stuff?
Still, he'll pull my leg sometimes.
Okay.
But we don't fight like that.
You don't fight like that. What does brother do?
He is doing business.
He's into business. Excellent. And what about parents, mom, dad? What?
My dad is a retired director, horticulture officer.
Okay, very interesting.
And my mom is housewife.
Excellent. So why didn't you or your brother think of government jobs or something that way?
Government job, what my thinking is like, whatever we write exam, we have to pay money for them. Otherwise, we won't even get. For that, what we have given money, we have to take the money from other people.
Then you have to.
If we get caught again,
that you have to pay more money to save yourself. So whatever money you took from other people extra, you have to give it back when you get caught. Good, you guys are in private. How was school when going to school and so on? I mean, what was the high school? See, high school, when it happens, you know how high school is, teenagehood and so on. So then you start having crushes, then people start having crushes on you. Tell us something about your high school experience.
Crushes, like, I had, but I didn't tell anyone.
But you didn't tell anyone. Now you're going to tell me who was the guy.
No, sir.
Okay, was he in your class?
No, he was my senior. Just for it was around not even 1 year. Okay. We had a school anniversary when I was in 9th standard.
Okay.
At that time, I did a classical dance. So at that time, he was.
So he came and complimented you, told you danced well or something, correct?
Huh.
Okay, see, I know. After high school, college, were you good at studies in school?
Yeah.
How was your high school marks percentage and all that stuff?
It's of 10th, it's of 80.
80, excellent. Okay. That was good percentage, man, 80. Okay. Nice. Okay. That means you were studious. You used to study, or this was without studying you were able to get 80?
No, hard studying.
Hard studying. Okay. Parents were strict?
Too much.
Too much, both?
My mom.
Mom, okay. So you're more scared of mom than dad?
Only mom will beat me. My dad won't even beat. He'll start scolding. I'll go inside my room, he'll stop. So dads are usually like that way with daughters actually speaking, and moms are usually the opposite. Mom does not beat brother, correct? She was not beating him.
Correct. So do you fight with mom now?
Obviously. Still now she'll feed my brother. She won't even feed me.
She's going to see the spotlight, right? You're complaining so much about her.
Every day I'll be doing to her, so she knows.
She knows you're going to complain about her. What was is there any moment which you have in your school life? Because see, those young ages are very impressionable ages, where you did something very wrong or naughty or something and you got a big punishment from home.
Punishment and all, I haven't.
Okay.
Because my class teacher was very close to my mom.
Okay.
If I bunked one class also, she used to get everything. She used to get to know. And directly she used to come to school and she used to scold me.
so
I
you
was
had
too
no
late.
privacy in school.
No. College also it was very bad
Very bad. No masti in college also. Okay.
because I'm basically from science background, so PCMB. My sister was a HOD there.
Okay.
Biology HOD.
Cousin, you're saying, because it's only two of you, right?
Yeah, cousin.
Cousin sister. Okay. So again, anything you do in college would reach home.
But only I used to play in language classes.
Okay.
We were not listening, and we used to tease teachers.
Okay.
They used to make her to go out of the classroom. At that time, opposite my classroom, his here means opposite only my sister cabin was there.
Right.
If I come out, she used to see me.
Right.
And when I had language classes, she used to go somewhere.
Okay.
For other classes. So at that time only I used to play.
So all the naughty things were only in the language classes. You passed language with good scores?
Obviously.
What was the naughtiest thing you did in college when you during these language classes?
Language classes is like my friends used to listen. I was not making them to listen because at time I used to do dances and all.
Okay.
So if I had any program, if I have given any program, means I'll be tired. No, I don't want to listen also. In front of me, I used to make her to sit. I used to sleep. And if lecturer see me, she used to make me that person should not see me.
Right.
And both also we used to get caught.
Your attendance was good, but you were able to attend.
For language and all, I paid money and I took attendance. I was not even attending.
You were not attending the languages at all. What you used to do during that time? Cafeteria, movies?
Not going movies. I used to roam, that's it.
Just roam
nearby home only, 15 kilometers far away, we have Dera in Durga.
Okay.
So me and my friend used to go there.
Go there. Do you miss college now? I mean, or you think that was...
Yeah, my engineering college.
You miss the engineering college. Which was your favorite subject in engineering?
Favorite subject is nothing like that. Everything was same.
Everything was same. You didn't have a favorite subject at all?
Maths.
Maths.
Modes.
Oh, man.
Because of that lecturer only, the way he used to teach.
Now it looks like you had a crush on the lecturer.
No.
No.
He was my father's age. How can I have a crush on him?
Good you told me that, because the way you expressed it just now, I thought. How much you got in maths?
Maths, 85.
85, not bad, man. So you were good in studies even in engineering. You didn't deteriorate. Overall percentages were still maintained. Man, hats off to your parents, man. That was nice. Because usually people study well in school, and then when they go to college, the percentages will...
But in our engineering college, it was completely on credits.
Okay.
So if we want to write a final exam, we used to have 20 credits. And my best friend was reading very nice.
Okay.
And if she get more credits, why I'm not getting? We used to do combined study, and the same thing she also used to read. But I'm less only compared to her.
Any bad habits you picked up in college? I mean, did you try a cigarette? Did you try a beer? Nothing? Okay. Not even one, someone gave you one puff or something. This usually happens, right, in college, no? Or you're scared to tell on record?
I think I have told you one time when I was in training.
Correct. So you can tell once more now. Now everybody will come to know.
Like around third year, we went to Coorg. My friend is staying there only.
Okay.
So he has their homestay only.
Okay.
While coming back, my cousin also came.
Okay.
My cousin wanted to try homemade wine.
Okay.
At that time, I slept off. I didn't even know that they have opened the bottle also.
Okay.
Just I was knowing like they brought 6 bottles for us only. And I slept off, and she was opening the bottle. At that time, I got up.
Okay.
And light was on in bus. I saw her, she was opening the bottle.
Okay.
And I thought, what you are doing? I asked. So she thought, okay, this girl is got up. I need to make her to drink.
Okay.
My friends hold my hand. They made me to drink one sip.
Okay.
I told it is like a vinegar taste. I don't want to taste. Leave.
So that was the first sip of alcohol you had. Okay, interesting, man. Okay, and this was in engineering when you were doing engineering. Now you found. How did you find? This was your first job, right?
Yes.
Okay, so how did you find us, or how did we find you? We didn't come to the campus,
Yes.
I think. So
we got a mail that G7CR is hiring.
Okay.
So at that time, I got to know, like I wanted to go to the cloud field itself,
Okay.
because now it is growing up very fast.
Right.
So I wanted to get into it.
And you were in this batch which we recruited recently. You're with us almost 1.5 years now, right?
Yeah.
1.5 years, right? Excellent. So how was the interview experience? Who took your first round?
First round was taken by Chandana itself.
Okay.
Aptitude round was there, and then second round was taken by you only, GD round.
And I threatened you in that round that you guys don't work hard and all that stuff, right?
No,
that was final
round.
Second round was group discussion. Right.
Group discussion at that time, it was good only.
Okay.
We got a general topic about our country.
Right.
That was good. And then the final round, it was from you only.
Right.
It was so chill. I didn't even think like I'll have a get into this company also.
Okay, wonderful. How was the experience after that, the training and all that stuff? I think you guys were in training the longest, 6 months or something we had training, right? Almost 5
we
months.
had 3 months training.
3 months. So how was the experience during the training? Because I remember one person or two people actually, we lost jobs during that training. We laid them off during that training phase.
Yeah.
Were you guys scared, insecure? Were you guys angry? Truth, huh? Tell me truth.
For Windows Server training, you took
Right.
that Windows
Right.
Server training. At that time, I was so afraid.
Yeah.
Like you said, like we'll fire,
Right.
and we was around 29 people.
Right.
And if I was fired, I was afraid like if I get fired, I have to search other company. What I'll tell to my cousins?
Good, man. I
What
like the
other
pressure.
people will think about me if I lost this job?
Okay. So it made you work hard, but you basically
Yeah.
used to study hard. You passed all the exams, right? You didn't
Yeah,
you
I
didn't fail
passed.
any of the
Yeah, I
exams.
passed it.
Good. See, I did the right thing, correct? Otherwise, you would have failed some of them.
That was the exam, and after that, I got little confidence. Okay, Microsoft exam. If I do in this way, if I do practicals and all, I'll be able to pass.
That's excellent. Okay. But when you went to the job, were you feeling little confident? It was okay. How long did it take you to get used to handling tickets, getting the job done? And so on?
Like 1 month it took, because after I entered, 1 week I was in office only.
Right.
After that COVID came, I went
Right.
to home, and I didn't even know how to
Correct,
talk
correct.
to customer only.
Right.
I was little nervous when I was going to call on customers.
I understand, because as you guys hit the floor, we also started the COVID work from home started. Correct. What do you enjoy about it? You enjoy coming to office? You enjoy working from home?
Both also, sir.
You enjoy both. Some days it's good to come to office. Some days it's good to work from home. You're planning to come back to Bangalore and get back into you were in a PG before that, right?
Yes.
You're planning to come back, or you're
Yeah, planning to come back.
Come back.
Looking for a good PG nearby office.
looking for a good PG? Nice. Who are your best friends now? I think it's almost a year and a half you're here, so I'm sure you got a set of best friends. So who are the best friends in these?
Here, Chaitanya.
Chaitanya. Oh. And who are the people you don't like in these?
Nothing like that. I didn't feel like.
Someone will be there. How is it possible?
No, sir. I didn't feel like anyone.
You didn't feel like anyone?
Because everyone are friendly.
I think work experiences, I know one bad thing that you did.
Hi, sir. By mistake, I deleted.
What did you delete? Storage account or database? What did you delete? Something you deleted?
Luckily, that was a past service, and
Okay.
customer was also funny.
Okay.
And after deleting, when I told the customer, he was also laughing. He was also confident like Microsoft will be having backup. We'll get it. So he was also free only. Now also, if I get tickets and if I go on a call for any deployment, he'll tell.
Please don't delete anything.
No. He don't tell like that. I take your own time. No issues. I don't have any urgent.
Wow, nice.
He is so friendly now.
How much shouting you got from your boss, your cluster head for deleting that resource? You didn't get any shouting?
No.
Who's your cluster? Which cluster you
That time I was cluster 3.
Cluster 3, that is Manjunath or?
First Mayank was there.
Mayank, acha.
Now Shankar.
Shankar, acha. Okay. So you didn't get shouting from Mayank?
No. Mayank was also laughing because everyone was knowing that is a past service. We will get it back.
Okay. Nothing else you did. Only that one delete that you did. Okay.
That was a big mistake for me.
How is your knowledge levels now? I mean, the learning and all that. Do you feel skilled and so on now? You're able to confidently handle things?
Yes, sir. I'll be able to do.
What is the stress level in these? Again, honest answer.
I don't feel like any stress level, and because all my teammates are very good only, very supportive. If I get too much stress, I'll be telling to my cluster lead.
Okay.
So if I'm not able to talk to customer, they'll join with me. If I'm not feeling well also, if I tell means they'll join and they'll help me.
Excellent. Now you're going to show this video to your parents, correct?
Yeah.
So I'm going to ask you some questions which maybe they have not asked you. So love marriage, arranged marriage, what's the plan?
Arranged marriage only, sir.
Arranged marriage. So is there a boy in life right now? Now you said arranged and still asking you the second question. Is there a boy in life right now?
No, sir.
No. Somewhere close by? No.
No, sir.
No thoughts also? No thoughts?
Because my parents won't even tell yes. My mom will tell us, my father will be okay little. I can't convince him more.
You can't.
So I thought like, let them only search. I'll tell my wish, how it want to be. I want.
So
let them search.
So now you're not available. That's what we have to tell all the boys, correct?
Yeah.
Okay. Have they started searching? Have you
already?
You already seen? So how many photographs have you seen till now?
Till now around 20 to 30.
And you rejected 20 to 30 photos?
No, not rejected. Like Jatka they'll see, no? That was not matching.
Correct. You have to match that also. What kind of a guy you want? Maybe your parents will search for that type of guy. So if you're looking for a guy now, what type of a guy?
Like I want to work. So he should be very supportive for me in work also. Okay. And if I'm not able to cook, he should.
He should cook. Okay.
Because I'll be too tired. Sometimes, at least he should help me while cooking.
Okay, excellent.
And he should be adventurous.
Okay.
I like to roam, so.
You like traveling. You like traveling, going on trips and all that stuff.
Yeah.
How many places have you gone to? Where all have you traveled?
Singapore, Thailand.
Okay. Wonderful, man. Okay. What about India? Where all have you traveled in India?
India, Hampi. Almost Karnataka part I have completed.
Okay. Goa?
Goa also.
That only everybody's gone to Goa. Nobody's not gone to Goa. I was from South at least. Which was the most fun trip? I mean, Singapore or Thailand? Which one is better?
Thailand.
Thailand is better.
Singapore was, I went with my dance troupe.
Acha.
So that was not that much good. And for Thailand, we went with our family members.
I'm going to ask you when the show ends, I'm going to ask you to dance for us. There's one person who danced on the show before. You will be the second person who will dance on the show. You okay?
I don't know, sir. With that dress, I can't.
You will not be able to. Okay, fine, no problem. I should have. I told you actually, if you know how to dance, you should. You probably danced on the show, right?
Yeah.
You should, because you keep talking so much about dance. You stopped dancing now. Or you still dance? Do you still do stage events?
Now I won't.
Now you won't, or you?
And I'm not going.
You're not going
to dance classes.
Dance classes, but it was a passion. You should continue, actually, right?
Yeah, but here since I'm in a support team, right. rotation will be there. Right. So Saturday, Sunday also working will be there. Right. And my dance classes will be on Saturday, Sunday. Okay. I stopped it when I was in second PU itself. I was not able to concentrate on studies itself. So my mom made me to quit.
Excellent. What are the other hobbies that you do? What do you do when you're free?
I'll ride cycling.
Oh, you like cycles? Excellent. Okay, maybe you should try coming on a cycle from Tumkur.
While coming here, I'll be faint.
What else do you do apart from cycling?
I'll play carom.
Caroms, okay.
And then badminton.
Badminton, excellent. Is there? What is your plans for the future? See, you got a job. So, did you have a dream when you were doing engineering? You did software or mechanical? Which engineering you did?
CS, software.
CS, software. So you planned to be in software. You like software, wanted to be software, or that was an unplanned choice?
I wanted to be an Ayurvedic doctor. Okay. But my father didn't wanted to send me other places. Okay. So luckily, my bad luck, I got a seat in SIT college. Okay. So my father told me to study there itself. He wanted to make me to study architecture also. Okay. I was not that much good in architecture. I told, if you make me to study 5 years of architecture, I'll take 10 years. Want to make me to study.
Software will be better is what you told him. So excellent. So that was the second choice. Otherwise you would have been doctor, ma.
Yes.
Okay. Interesting. How was the experience during the COVID lockdown? I mean, did any friends, family, anyone be impacted with COVID, or all of them have been safe?
My mom's brother.
Okay.
He had a COVID, and my mom's brother used to stay beside my house only. So we are all like a joint family only. Okay. So we thought when government people came like to seal their house, that time they used to check the primary contact only. Right. I thought like our our house also will get
Get
sealed.
sealed. Acha.
Luckily, we didn't got it.
And you can see a huge contrast now. Nobody, it doesn't matter anymore. But in that 1 month, it was like crazy, right? Everything
Yes,
was.
sir.
Did you miss office and so on after during that month? Did you miss people? Because
Yes,
you were
sir.
not able to go out of the house, right?
I was not able to go out, and I want to travel.
Right.
And every day I used to cry. I can't even tell my mom to take me out. If I
Right.
tell, they'll tell Corona.
Right.
I was praying like, why did this Corona come? At least I would have gone to office. I used to. At least I'll by pulling others' leg, or they'll pull my leg.
Right.
We'll be happy. I was missing that one.
No, definitely. I'm pretty sure because you look a very jovial people person. You're a people person. You need people to survive. I think so. Am I right?
Not that much, sir.
Not that much.
I'll get adjusted to the environment.
Whichever environment you're in. Excellent. Who do you fight with the most in GSERV?
Rarely. If I'm sitting simply idle, any of the one will pull my leg.
How many of them do you think want to kill you in G7? Has anyone come on Spotlight and said we want to kill Tanmay?
No, I don't want to take names. If you know, please tell me.
So you don't know the ones who told that, huh?
I know, but I don't want to take names.
So
I
that
know
means-
they have only told like I have took your name just for a fun. Don't take it so
Ah,
serious.
it was fun. I mean, whatever you do here is fun. I mean, that is definitely not serious. I mean, okay, so who would you like to kill now in G7 if you had an
Shubham,
opportunity?
sir.
Shubham only.
Yes, sir.
Irritates you a lot, huh?
Yes.
Do you guys have a lot of fun in between joking and all that stuff? I mean,
Yeah. If we have time, we will be doing.
recently you went for the outing. I think there was a team outing. Was your
Yes.
team involved? You went for the outing.
Guhandra.
How was it? Was it good?
It was good.
Yes.
Superb.
It was a nice experience. Excellent. So now you guys can do it more frequently also because
Yeah.
you have the budget for it. I always have to ask this question to everybody, Tanmay. If you were the MD of G7, what would you change?
For every person, at least if they are going late, means at least we need to have a cap. This is my suggestion, but it does not take it serious. That's because sometimes we can't even accept what will happen.
Correct.
So.
But are you guys leaving late on the second shift and all that stuff? Because the rule here said girls are not supposed to be after 8:30.
Yeah,
If
we
you
are
come
not.
after 8:30, then you're supposed to leave in the morning.
Rarely, if we
Right.
have any calls.
Right. No, this is interesting because we have an office car and a driver which is doing nothing.
Okay.
So I think we should utilize that. I will talk to the HR and see how we can actually make use of the car which is doing nothing around, because there may not be too many people. I think the people who stay here late are either senior management
Yeah, sir, that's
who have
correct.
their own transportation.
For
And-
girls and all, max will leave around 8:30 or 8.
How many parties have you had after that? I mean, now you told me once you drank wine. Okay, I know you drank after that also.
With you only, that was the first party.
The first party. Okay, what did you drink that day? You were drinking scotch. You were drinking beer. You were drinking breezer. What you were
Breezer.
drinking? Breezers you were drinking. Did you get drunk that day? I don't remember because I was more basically keeping all of you guys safe than I was.
No, sir, I was not drunk.
You were not drunk.
One, not
breezer.
even one. Half.
Not even one half breezer. So do you guys have more parties like that way now frequently? No.
No, I'm
No.
not going.
You
My
don't go?
mom won't even let me. She already told me like whatever I'll do, I'll be telling to
Telling
my
you.
mom.
Good,
So
that's how
she
it's
knows
supposed to
that I had a taste with breezer also.
Okay.
She told me like I'll cut your leg if you go and start drinking.
No, plus you're not supposed to. She's right and she's a well-wisher, so you need to listen to her.
My brother also will start to scold me.
Brother also does not drink, does not smoke. He's teetotaler. The brother is married? Not yet.
No, not yet.
Oh, if he's elder, then I think they'll be looking for him first. No, he says first I'll get my sister married, then I will get married.
My mom wanted me to get married first, and
First,
then
okay.
they'll search.
Find someone in Bangalore and when marriage, put that as one of the criteria. Okay. So you already said he has to know how to cook. Okay. How should he look? You tell them that.
Like he should be little fair also. That's fine.
Little fair. So you want a fair guy. What else? Tall.
Around 5.5 because I'm short.
5.5.
I can't expect.
You don't want to look up to. Okay, so medium height, 5.5, fair guy. Okay, and who knows how to cook?
Huh.
Okay, maybe you should look for a chef.
No, sir, he won't be helping to my job now.
Correct. He will cook outside and come. He won't cook at home after that.
Not like cooking, I'll cook, but if I'm too tired, if I'm not able to chop vegetables,
You want
at least
help.
he can help.
Wish you all the best. Okay. Hope you get the guy of your dreams by your parents searching for the right person for you. How long before you get married? Do you think this year, next year?
This year, they
This
are
year.
telling
Okay.
by seeing my Zaka, I don't know.
No, man, great. So we are going to have you most probably by next year. You'll be basically no longer single.
Yes.
Okay. Are you looking forward?
Not so urgent.
Not so urgent. Anyway, all the best again still. Any experience in G7 which you remember, which was basically very, very stressful, apart from, of course, deleting? That was not stressful. You guys were laughing, you said. Okay, so anything else where you felt very anxious or something that way?
Anxious, nothing much. Like only when Thursday, Friday, sometimes usually we'll be not having people's in. Only two people will be having morning shift. Based on their shift timings, they'll do give.
Right.
At that time, when we had WBD starting, it came.
All the
HGS,
tickets.
they used to raise like anything. Star Tech also. At that time, we felt stressed.
Heavy stress, I understand. And those companies used to bring a lot of tickets, I understand.
Yeah, starting.
Yeah.
At that time, Mayank used to sit with us and
Help solve
used
it.
to solve.
Resolve it. Excellent. In all the people you've reported to, Mayank, you've reported to Shankar. That's it, right?
Prolay sometimes.
Proloy sometimes. Okay. How is the leadership style different? How are they different from each other?
Mayank, he is also good. All three also good, sir.
No, all are good, but how is they different? They will be different, right? Style will be different. So what was the difference in their approach to?
I didn't feel like different because all three were so friendly.
Okay.
With Prolay, I didn't had more conversation with any of the requests.
Okay.
Friendly conversation only I used to have.
Okay.
And with Mayank and Shankar, if I'm stuck in anywhere and not able to find anything, they'll help me.
Excellent. Okay, so it's a warm atmosphere. You don't feel too stressed. People are ready to help.
Because of them only, I'm not feeling so much of stress.
Excellent. What is the happiest moment you've had in G7 when you did something you were very happy about, or someone else did something but you were happy? What was the happiest moment?
For NCDX, I was about to get escalated.
Right.
And starting, I was not able to explain that there was an issue with their server itself, the way they have deployed it, they have set up. And I was explaining, and they were not even accepting. And Mayank used to tell me, do POC.
Okay.
And I told him that I have done POC, still they are telling like...
They're not accepting the solution.
What to do like that. After that, he saw that one, that is not supporting. That time I felt like, okay, I'm not getting escalated.
Okay.
Because at time, if that escalation goes, that used to go to Deepak sir. Deepak sir used to come. So I don't want to go to that high level and get escalated.
How is the knowledge levels and confidence and all that? I mean, every day is there something that you're learning? Are you feeling good about the knowledge you're gaining?
Yes, sir. I'm confident that if I take any of the request, if I get it, and if I don't know, if I go on a call with customer also, I'm very confident that I can handle this.
Excellent. Okay. Sounds good. What is the future plans? Because now you want to become a doctor. Ultimately, you did software. First job, you landed up here. What is the dream, vision? I mean, is there something that you want to become? Is there some goal that you have? In terms
like you, sir.
You want to become like me? You want to start a business?
Yes, sir.
Amazing. All the best. Let me know whenever you want to start a business. I'll be the investor.
Sure,
Bring
sir.
the idea and come. I'll invest for you.
Sure, sir. I'll.
And all the best for that.
Thank you, sir.
In terms of your personal goals, what would that be? I mean, this is professional goal. You want to most probably start a business. You personally, is there any goals that you have, any dreams that you want to fulfill, which is personal?
Personally, my thinking is like nowadays people are not taking care of their parents only. They are putting their parents with Vridhashrama like that and all. So I don't want to put my parents there. They have given me wonderful life. They have cared me.
Definitely.
So I want to take them very well. And I want to help for Vridhashrama people to investing some fund so that they'll get a comfortable life.
Excellent, man. God bless you. Very, very good thoughts. Okay, and hope you succeed in basically helping more parents. And plus, I think this is a good message for everybody who's going to see this video, that you need to take care of your parents, because irrelevant to what, maybe even if they didn't take care of you, you still have to take care of them.
Because recently, my Dodama's cousin went to Vridashrama, and recently I visited there.
Okay.
And his son didn't even come and see her. She was crying like anything.
Okay.
I saw that one. I don't want any of the parent to cry like that.
Right. I understand totally. At least they need to go and visit. Now I'm feeling guilty because I need to go visit my mom this weekend. Thank you. Fights we never told me at all about. So what do you guys normally fight about? Because I know you guys have fun fights. What are the fun fights about? It's only teasing people, or is there some serious issues about work sometimes you guys fight?
No, not with work. Like teasing only.
Or teasing only is the fights most of the time. Have you cried any time in G7?
No.
No? Okay. Oh man, I should ask someone to make you cry.
One time I cried only because by mistake only I deleted the resource, and because of that tension I didn't thought in my mind that was a past service, I'll get it back.
Okay, the same thing which you're talking about.
I started crying. Mayank was telling, cool down, that was a past service, you'll get it back.
Okay. Amazing. We now reach this part of the show where we're going to do a rapid fire with you. Okay. So, and you should not cheat in the rapid fire.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So 5 questions. You need to give the name of a person as the answer.
Okay, sure.
Okay.
I'll try.
You'll try? Okay. So, first question. Preferred boss in G7?
You.
I should have said apart from me.
Now we'll be missing you, sir.
No, I'm 4 hours away. Plus, maybe for all you know, we might have some of you guys basically in the Middle East also. So, Dubai is just 4 hours away. Question number 2.
Maybe some people are there, but I didn't feel anything.
No, this is cheating. You're supposed to say one guy.
No, sir, I didn't feel, sir.
Smartest guy in G7, intelligent. Apart from me. Now don't say you, sir. Apart from me. I'm smart, I
know. Everyone are smarter.
What is this, da? Why?
Sir, if we are not smarter means, you won't even recruit us.
No, smartest. See, smart and smart. Everybody's smart. Smartest. You cannot be so diplomatic. You want all the boys to be happy over. Let some of them get sad. Let some of them get happy. Give me one name.
Everyone are there. Everyone are there. Because if I take one person name and other person...
No, I'm not letting you go. You're going to tell me one name right now. Who's the smartest guy in G7?
Okay. Everyone are there, sir.
No, one person. Smartest. Everybody's not smartest. One person you tell me who first person comes to mind. You think
you
is
only,
intelligent,
sir.
smart.
You
Apart
only,
from
sir.
me. Apart from me.
No, you only, sir. Because you are the smartest.
You're playing so safe, da, seriously. Now, if I ask you the next question, who do you want to kill in G7? I think you already told me that. Okay. If you had to basically ask someone to report to you in G7, who would that be? If you can choose a team, okay, for yourself, okay, anyone from the company, okay, who would you like reporting to you? Chaitanya. You want Chaitanya to report to you. You'll sack him the next day. You'll sack him the next day after that. The next day termination letter, correct?
No, not termination letter, because he'll be doing something or the other thing.
Okay.
So I'll be learning a new thing.
Okay.
If I must
we'll try and fulfill that. Okay, Chaitanya is going to be very sad. Final question. You've cheated, but you've not made this spicy actually. You should have made this spicy. You should tell me still the smartest boy question is still open. You want to try?
No, sir, you only.
Whatever. If you had no choice, and I'm not giving you a choice, okay, you had to basically reduce somebody's salary by half, and that is mandatory. You have to do it because that's the job role I've given you. Whose salary will you reduce?
This is too tricky question.
You don't have a choice. You're not doing this because you want to do it. You're doing this because you're told you have no choice.
Obviously, sir, Shubham.
Shubham's. He's the target of all your bad things.
No, he'll make me like that.
So we come to the end of the rapid fire round. You actually cheated, but you didn't give me basically the smartest guy in G7. You didn't give me the hottest guy in G7. Not fair. Okay, the guys are going to be very disappointed. You know, how many of them would be waiting to hear who you had in mind as the hottest and smartest? Right?
Yeah.
You want to try the answers again?
I don't think so. They'll be thinking, sir.
Anyway, so I'm still going to give you that cup. Okay. And I'm also going to give you a 6,000 rupees gift voucher. Okay? But I will be sending that to you by mail, where you have the codes, because I don't have cards anymore. So I'll give you codes, so the Amazon gift vouchers, which you can basically use. Before I give you the cup, let me thank you sincerely for all the work that you do for G7. You guys basically handle those tickets, handle the customers, learn. You're helping G7 grow as a company today. We are basically succeeding wherever we go. So from the heart, thank you very, very much. Okay.
And I'm also very thankful for giving me an opportunity to be in this organization. And whatever I have done wrong things, still you have given me an opportunity to do a work. Thank you for that, sir.
Cool, man. Okay. So now I'll give you this cup. Okay. You can sign it and give this back to me. That cup is for you. This picture you gave?
Yes, sir.
Very nice, man. Okay. There you are. We'll put this in our vault upstairs. I think you see it in the third floor. We put this in the showcase there.
So, yes, and so only I was thinking, like, which picture shall I give?
So, thank you very much for being on Spotlight. You look very pretty today. I think you should basically dress up like this more often and come. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Have a great evening. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.